Hey guys, welcome to Real Men Get It Done. It is story time. Okay, so obviously I love wearing my own gear, Real Men Get It Done, but I've been fortunate to partner with Super Clean to test some of their products. And the other cool thing about that, testing their products, is that Real Men Get It Done is actually starting our cleaning services. So we're going into full throttle business with doing cleaning for others. So just an exciting time for us in the brand. But Super Clean reached out to me to try some of their products. So I'm gonna do several videos on several different products. I was given stuff for indoor, for outdoor, for auto. And so I'm excited to see how things stack up, and also even giving some floor absorbent. So not sure if I'll use that, but I'm excited to just let folks know how Super Clean works. As it says, it can be found at AutoZone. They have their own website, you name it. But let's see how Super Clean stacks up. And one of the things that was given to me in terms of like a snapshot, they just said, you know, it's biodegradable, phosphate, and bleach free. So it can be used at full strength or in different concentrations. So for today, I have my Tesla behind me. I'm going to use the actual Super Clean all-wheel cleaner, and I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to use it on my wheels, of course, because that's a big spot for grease. But I'm also going to use it on my undercarriage, because I'm assuming it can still be good for that if it's going to be enough to clean the wheels. So I'm going to wash my car as I normally do. Then I'm going to go back over it with the Super Clean. When you're doing your car, and I know a lot of people do use this for detailing, the biggest thing that I look out for is if it's going to get bugs off, and then the grit and grime from the road. So we'll see how it stacks up. Real Men Get It Done. All right, so I was going to just use the Super Clean just for the bottom of my car and for the front, but I actually have a weird kind of residue on there that is, I know it's grit and grime. You know, sometimes when you wash your car or don't wash it for a while and you have storms or other different things, it may look clean, but then it's like a grit that's kind of on there. So I've done my first kind of wash. I think I am going to try Simply Clean and spray it on and do the whole car quickly just to see how it comes out. Simply Clean does state in their information to not leave it on your car, because since it's so concentrated, or on a surface I should say, it could mess up that surface. So we're going to be really quick and try to do it thoroughly and finish getting it clean. So let's get to it. Okay, I was honestly very surprised by how well this product actually works. So overall, I definitely think it was a great product. It cut through the grease, and as you saw, I kind of did one side, rinsed off, then did the other side to make sure I didn't cause any damage to my car. But overall, a very great product. The one thing I did not like, it is a foam. So granted, I wasn't supposed to necessarily use it on other parts of the car, but even on the wheels, to use it as a foam, it seemed a little bit messy. If that spray came out a little bit finer to cover the whole wheel, I think it would be definitely, a game changer. But overall, it came out well. So it was only one setting to actually make it come out as foam. Or what I started to do is actually put it on the actual sponge. So that maybe could be something that you could do. But overall, in terms of, I've used several different products from Green Lightning to Simply Green. I think this by far, as it kind of marketed itself, cuts through the most grease. So it was definitely able to get all the grit and grime off the car. Even on the front with the bugs, it got most of them off. I wasn't expecting it to get everything. I do, if you saw me, they're using the magic eraser to get some of the other bug fragments off. But overall, in terms of using it for the car, definitely a go-to, a plus. I was highly impressed with it. So as I said, came out as a foam. So they have a couple other options. I know they have a spray can, so that may be more beneficial. So I'm gonna try a couple different things, a couple different products in other videos. So check those out, so maybe you can see what's the best fit for you and whatever product that you have to tackle. So I think that's it for now. I'm gonna let the car kind of air dry and finish up a little small detailing pieces and get on out of here. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button so that you can show YouTube that you're rocking with us and that you like our content. So thank y'all so much, appreciate it. Till next time, peace and blessings. Real men get it.